Welcome back to the QuickBooks University. This is Matt Holtquist. By now you've watched the 3 free videos, and so what I wanted to do in this 4th video is just give you a look at what it's like on inside the QuickBooks University when you become a member and a lot of the benefits that you get. So this is a full QuickBooks training course. Okay, so this is going to teach you everything you need to know from start to finish in QuickBooks, from setting up your company file to recording transactions. All right. So when you do become a member, you get a username and password. And the username and password, when you log in, you're going to come to this screen here. Okay. And this is just a welcome screen. And I do put updates here. As you can see, I do add new videos to the training fairly frequently. So for desktop QuickBooks training members, there were 4 new videos added recently, and for online, there were 3. Okay, so I make these announcements here, and over here on the left, depending on what you have purchased, desktop or online, and the level, your training will show up over here on the left-hand side of the screen. Okay. So let's take as an example the QuickBooks 2018 tutorials. Okay. All right, so when we click on here, you'll see there's a little bit of an intro here, and you'll see that these are all the groups of videos down the left-hand side. And there are, multiple pages. So let's say that we want to look at let's say setting up inventory in QuickBooks. Okay, this is QuickBooks Desktop in this example. So you'll see here you have a page of setting up inventory in QuickBooks. You have video 10A, and what I've attempted to do here is keep these videos relatively straight to the point and short, so that you can come back, and if you have specific questions about inventory. So, okay, well, how do I enter a bill for inventory? You can go to this video, and it's not like an hour-long video where you have to search and try to find the answer to the question you're looking for. Okay. And so I've grouped them into categories on the left-hand side so that you can quickly go and say, okay, I need to do something with bank accounts. Let me go over there, and you'll see that there are all these different videos for bank accounts. Okay. All right. So now, I always want to mention what sets QuickBooks University apart from other training. You can go to live training, in your city. There's probably a 2-day, these are typically 2-day trainings on QuickBooks and how to use QuickBooks. I used to teach these seminars, and the issue that I found with those is that it's typically more expensive. You're looking at anywhere from $399 up for the 2-day training. And the problem that I have with those is that it's a one-time thing. You can't come back to the training. And typically you can only ask questions in those 2 days. Okay. Well, with the QuickBooks University, it's a one-time fee. You pay one time and you have unlimited access to all of the training. Okay. Let me go back over here. So you can come back anytime, anywhere that you have an internet connection. You can come back and you can reference these videos. I update the videos on an annual basis for the desktop. So QuickBooks 2019 will be coming out. Your one-time fee, you will have access to those. Okay. Those will show up in your members area. So we'll talk about all the new items in QuickBooks 2019. We'll re-record all the videos, and you get access to those. You don't have to pay again. It's a one-time lifetime fee. Okay, and for QuickBooks Online, since that is continually updating, we are updating those videos all the time. All right, so it's a one-time fee. You can come back as often as you like, watch the videos. Okay, now the other main benefit is that, I personally answer all of your questions. Okay, and this is a lifetime thing. So for this one-time fee, I answer all your questions. I do that one of 3 ways. Okay, first of all, we have the QuickBooks forum. Okay, so when you click on that, you do come over to the forum and you'll see that we have all of these categories, okay, of questions and answers. And these go back to 2011, all right? So there are a lot of questions and a lot of answers in here that you can reference, you can search if you're looking for something specific so you don't have to go through everything. You can search for what you're looking for. So this is a huge benefit for our members. It's kind of like a knowledge base, okay? Now, the other benefit is that we do have a private forum set up, okay, a Quickbooks private Facebook page set up. And so when you look through here, you're going to see, okay, you get access to this. This is just for members. And there's questions, okay, so, you know, you can go down here and you'll see that, you know, I have comments on these. I answer people's questions. Okay, so this is a great place to come in, not only reference other people's questions, but to also ask your own. And I also do post various videos and other items in here just for members. Okay, so you can come back here as many times as you need and you can ask the questions that you need to ask. Okay. All right, so I do give personal attention, and the third way is through the email address. I have people email me questions all the time, and I help them answer those questions. Okay, so and I do that because there's when you get into QuickBooks, you can have your training, and the training is fantastic. It shows you how to use QuickBooks, get you up and running. But when you start working on your own business or if you are an accountant or a bookkeeper and you work on someone else's business, there's going to be specific situations where you have questions, and that's what I'm here to do, is answer those questions. You're not going to get that in a 2-day class. Okay? All right. So those are the main benefits of the QuickBooks University. Okay? And one thing I do want to show you is on this third video page, okay, when you get to the third video page, it's very simple to become a member, okay? If you scroll down, you're going to see this table here that says, you know, these are the 3 options. The basic one with just the training videos and no support, okay, is $187. The next level with the support is $247. And then for QuickBooks Online, for those videos, that's also $247. It's very simple. All you need to do is click the Add to Cart, okay? You're going to be taken to ClickBank, which is our payment processor, and you can securely check out through ClickBank, okay? And from there, you're going to get your username and password, and voila, you're a member. You've got access to all these benefits, all right? So I would be honored if you would become a member of the QuickBooks University. I'd love to help you out. I do love giving that personal attention and helping people solve those problems that they have with QuickBooks. So, you know, I feel this is an incredible value at, you know, the $247. You're not going to get this value anywhere else. So again, I'd love to have you as a member, and I'd love to help you out. And I look forward to hopefully seeing you on the inside as a member of the QuickBooks University.